Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I have been talking about this plant and we are harvesting it today. Woodworm. Yes, I did. I said woodworm instead of wormwood, and you'll probably hear it several more times during this video. My apologies. Woodworm can be used in several different ways, but caution is advised due to its potential toxicity. It contains a compound called thujone that can be harmful in large amounts. She is so big. So we're going to go ahead and give her a haircut. She's so pretty. Traditionally, wormwood has been used as a tea to help with gallbladder problems, indigestion, loss of appetite, intestinal problems. This one is really out of hand, all in the walkway. Take off some of these older pieces. Can also be used as a tincture, used to stimulate digestion and reduce cravings for sweets. That I can use. I have one mean sweet tooth. Oops. I love the appearance of this plant. I love how full and bushy it is. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid wormwood. People with seizure disorders or taking seizure medication should avoid woodworm with caution, as it can potentially cause seizures and interfere with medications. So be careful of that. I do know that it's used for if you have parasites in your body. That's one of the uses. It definitely spreads. Okay, that's lovage. You can see in here. I'm just going to cut it back here so that it frees up my walkway. So we're going to get this all cleaned up. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to dry it. And if you know anybody with some parasites, let me know. I will be happy to pass some along. Initially, I just wanted to grow more herbs, some herbs that I had never even heard of before or never tried growing. I wanted more medicinal herbs in my garden. It'll be something that I'll have on hand if I ever need it, but not one of those things where you need often or daily. That's sort of like having Pepto-Bismol in your medicine cabinet. Not something that you use every day. You know, one of those things where if you occasionally get sick, you have it on hand. That'll probably be what this is for. Unless someone else knows something that I don't know about this plant, again, let me know. First time growing wormwood. One thing's for sure, I've got lots of it. Mostly, I just wanted to share this herb that I'm growing in my backyard garden. I also wanted to share some of the benefits as well as some things to just be cautious about. I just love the texture of this plant. Very pretty plant. It definitely adds some visual interest here in my garden bed. Instead of pulling out my dehydrator machine or placing it in the oven, which are other options of doing this, I'm using a regular old brown paper bag and let it dry out. It's not something that I need right away, and so this works for me. A little light drizzle fizzle in the dizzle. Clean, clean, clean. Got to clean it. Some hot deals. Okay, summertime. Oh, they got some patriotic paper plates. 8-count, $1. Got the napkin, 16-count for $1. I like these platters, USA. 8-count. So I will grab a platter, some plates, lumbar pillows, $8. Got some different patterns here. That's pretty. Smile in the garden. They're teasing me with these frogs. Centinela yard candle, mosaic candle. That's cute. But they're fancy with it. The rubber coated gloves. Plant picks. These are cute for $1. Cute plant markers. What else is in here? I can't really see what else is in here. Probably rosemary, basil, thyme, your basic gardening herbs. Lighting fluid. Oh, they've got some potting soil in here, Scott's. I'm not sure how much it is though. Got all-purpose potting soil here. Careful. Don't poke a hole in it. White ceramic canisters, $5. Nice print. Measuring cup, $8. These are cute. The plates are nice. $3 side plate, $3. I'm gonna use this for washing my veggies in the garden. Watermelon ice pop. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.